So hey guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel and today's video is regarding this Firefly 8 SE. तो मैंने ये कैमरा लिया था कुछ 2 साल पहले for around 8,000 and the plan is to make a short video about this camera because I've noticed from past few of my vlogs due to my improper helmet mount कैमरा बहुत ज़्यादा शेक हो रहा था. So I decided I'll go back to my old mount जो बहुत sturdy था. So let's see, I'll mount my camera on my helmet and I'll show you how it is done. Alright, so this was my helmet strap and in spite of making it very tight, this used to move because यहाँ पे ना, because of my helmet being a little curved, this used to shake. So what I've decided is that I'll go back to my old setup. तो जहाँ पे मैंने ना M-Seal use किया था and M-Seal के साथ I had used Araldite Clear. So I had followed Augie F's video for how to make a helmet mount. I'll post that video link so you guys can have a clear picture about it. And this is how the mount used to look. So initially the mount was shaped to be perfectly fit over here. So what I'll do is I'll use some 3M tape to stick it on my helmet and I'll keep it for 5 to 6 hours so that it is a little strong. So let's do it quickly.
The next day.
So alright, this is the next day in the morning and it's around 4:45 in the morning and I decided that मैंने camera तो mount कर दिया. Let me show you. So this is how I have mounted the camera. I have used the masking tape because क्या है कि the glue I'm not so sure कि वो properly stuck हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है and I have to order that GoPro protection strap. It's better because if a camera slip होता है then the GoPro is not falling. I mean it's not a GoPro but the strap helps. So the purpose of going for a ride is to test if the camera is doing a decent job and एक ride भी हो जाएगा. So I'm heading towards Nasik and the time is around 4:45 AM. Let's quickly get going because बाद में धूप बहुत जल्दी बढ़ने वाली है and I have to get back home early. Let me see on the bike. So now I'm checking if the angle is proper because the height has reduced. So I'm just making sure that बाद में I don't have to take a halt. This is the Hawkeye application. It allows you real-time view of the camera. So I'm just checking it out if the camera has been mounted properly. Okay, fine. So the time is around 5 AM now in the morning. The camera has been mounted. Let's get going. Nasik is around 3 hours away from here. It's approximately 150 kilometers. So I hope the video which is getting recorded now is not that shaky as compared to it was earlier. But let's say I have mounted the camera properly. But abhi pata nahi. Maybe once I take a small break, I'll double check the video. I have completed around 50 kilometers from my house. I have no clue where I am, but yeah, let's keep on going. I'll probably take a halt near Kasara Ghat, have a coffee and then I'll again continue, but not so sure. It's 5:49 as per the time over here. So I'm having coffee and wafers. And now the weather is nice. पूरी तरह से it's bright. So I was waiting for it to get bright because बाद में कसारा घाट स्टार्ट होने वाला है and then I had gone there last time. बहुत सारे potholes थे. तो yeah, coffee पियो, enjoy the weather and let's get going. Done with the break and around, I don't know what is the time, and it's completely lit up. So let's get going because I believe it's 1 more hour from here and let's see. You can see a group of Harley Davidsons going from here. Let's go catch them. So yeah, the breakfast is done. Not exactly a breakfast, a short coffee break. I had a coffee and few chips and now it's time to go. I've checked the camera angle. It looks fine. I just hope that the video comes out good because a lot is depending upon that. the good thing about this camera is, you know, I'm currently shooting at 2.5K because at 2.5K only it gives you the wide angle because it has 3 current modes. So probably if this video comes out nice, I might make a whole video about the complete review of this camera. I should have done it long time back, but then I thought, you know, I was not so sure if I should make it or not, but theek hai. I mean, now when I'm thinking of upgrading the camera, I'll maybe put a verdict about how was my experience. Have to be careful about the people coming from the wrong direction. So I've refueled. Now let me put the map. I think I have to take a U-turn. Okay. I have to make a left from here and then it's 1 hour approximately. So without any brakes, let's quickly get going. And suddenly you guys, you can see that the weather has completely changed. The temperature is dropping very fast and I can feel a cold. So I feel like एक अलग part of the city में आ गया हूँ मैं. Because the weather was very clear. There was sun on the top of me and now I can only see is fog. So yeah, feels good. The distance is around 30 minutes more from here. So yes, let's quickly go and see how exactly is the place. So finally I am close to that destination and यहाँ का weather बहुत ज़्यादा amazing है. I mean, look at the view and the weather is cool. I'm not feeling any heat, but there's the windmill. And the distance it was showing me, the time it was showing me was 8:45 to reach and it's 8:13. So yes, I'm early and I'm guessing, you know, due to the roads, I'll be back home quickly. So yeah. I mean, look at the view. Let me just slow down a bit. Just slow down a bit. See, from here you can see all the windmills. And the sky looks superb. So I came from here, this is the highway, and took a left, and I guess, yes, this is the point. रास्ता थोड़ा सा खराब है, but it's fine. I mean, I could probably take my bike on the top. Not entirely sure, but yeah, I can try. Pawan Chakki. Oh fuck!
It was at this moment that Nathan knew he fucked up.
See, this is what I hate. Arey yaar. Yuck. It's all mud. But ठीक है, thanks to the carbon racing visor बच गया यार, नहीं तो पूरी तरह भीग गया था. This is better. Wow. It's so damn peaceful, man. Okay, so this is how the setup looks. I've removed the camera. The camera's over here. But look at the view behind me. Many of the people were asking me about this particular camera. So what I'm gonna do is, you know what I'll do is, I'll try to shoot from this camera and then I'll probably compare with this Samsung S10 Plus. The quality of this camera is amazing. So far it's done a great job. Look at the size of the windmill. So what I'll do is, I'll do a side-by-side comparison with the Samsung S10 Plus and the Firefly 8 SE. And let's then decide if this camera is good for vlogging purposes. So let's see a comparison video in 3, 2, 1 now. So now I'm vlogging through the Firefly 8 SE and I'm also using my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, so you know I can have a side-by-side comparison. So obviously there's going to be a lot of difference in both of the cameras because this has a wide angle lens, whereas I'm not sure about, I guess this Firefly 8 SE also has a 120-degree wide angle lens. So let's see. I'm using it side by side, you know, so we have a clear picture about how it looks. The sun is right behind me, so let me turn around and show you guys how it looks. So here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and in my right hand I'm using the Firefly 8 SE. So what I'll do is I'll keep the Samsung down and probably vlog from the Firefly 8 SE. So this is how it looks. I can see there's a small mirror sort of things in the front of that camera. So let's do a mic check. Now that you're hearing the audio is recording from the Firefly 8 SE. So there's a windmill behind me and look at this amazing view. And the whole point of making this video was, I am planning a big ride in upcoming months, once the lockdown is settled down. So that is the reason I am pushing myself to go more and more kilometers. So yes, today was day one, I would say, that I have traveled to Nasik. It's 150 kilometers approximately from my place, and I have to go back. So that would be around 300 kilometers a day. So I'm pushing myself so I can prepare myself for the long ride. I have to get the accessories for the Dominar. So far I have been only using the Carbon Racing windshield, and it has done a very far decent job till now. There are a lot of new things coming up on my channel. So if you are enjoying this video, then make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and put down your comment that how can I improve and what more content would you like to see from my side. So I'll try to make more vlogs and try to show some interesting stuff. Also, if the action camera works fine, then I might not upgrade, but I have few plans of upgrading it anyways, because this camera does not have a video stabilization, which is a very important factor, I would say, in this time of this kind of things, because the road conditions and everything, and this is not even waterproof, so thoda wo risk rehta hai. So yes, I have few things which I have planned, and hopefully if things work out properly, you guys can see it in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. I'll quickly wrap this up, get going, take some photos, because we have 150 kilometers route to go back. Bye. So let's get going, because it's 9:30 almost and I don't want to get late. So let me connect my intercom. The intercom's connected, tank bag ready, and अच्छा हो कि मैं यहाँ वेट कर लिया, because you see it started moving. I'm not sure ये गिरेगा क्या. Just a random thought. I mean, for a second I got freaked out when it started moving, because it was making a terrible noise, but then it's fine. It's 9:49. Okay, so I have to be home by 1 at least. So yeah, everything is taken. Bye bye. All right, so it was fun. Oh, wrong road. गलती कर दी मैंने. See, that is what happens when you are not focused. Now my wheel is stuck in the mud, and now it's going to be very difficult to take the bike out, because oh, damn, now I'm screwed. See, fuck, because the tires gone inside, both the tires. I shouldn't have done that. The road was from there. गलती कर दी. तो अब क्या करते हैं? Stand works fine. Let me remove the tank bag. Let the bike be here. Oh God. इसको यहाँ पे रख देते हैं. Oh God, the wheel is completely in the slush. तो अभी इसको क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा हार्ड सरफेस है.
$3,000 whoop-hoos later.
Try to get the bike. Okay. Let me breathe. Oh god, oh god. Now the tire is gonna skid badly. Have to be very careful. So that was it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment down below what you think about this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Siddesh Shelar. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye.